All right, so we got a quick little video for you today. I just went and picked up a new 2024 Ford Maverick little pickup truck to use as a daily driver. Now, let me turn the camera around here and show you what we're working with. Okay, so here's the navigation screen, or the infotainment center here. And as you can see, there's no navigation. So I went ahead and bought this truck. It was something that was on the lot. It was super cheap, fit the budget, and it has no nav, which is something that we're going to want and need. So what do? Now, you can buy a couple of really cheap units on Amazon that'll connect to your phone. But you know what? I figured we cheaped out a little bit. We're going to jump up with this smart AI box. And this is from onecarstereo.com. So we're going to go ahead, open this thing. I just took the saran wrap off of it, or the, the outside wrapping. And you're going to go ahead with me. We're going to put it in. I'm not going to look at any instructions or anything like that. Let's go ahead, plug it in, and see how easy it is to hook up. All right, so I just slipped it out of that red cover, and this is what you get. It's from One Car Stereo, and it's a smart AI box. So what we're going to do is pull that out, and it's just, I don't know, half an inch tall by a couple inches wide and maybe 3 inches long, about the size of a business card. And we're going to plug in our one connection here, and I have one connection just right there that we are going to plug into and see if this thing will fire up. All right, so we just got it plugged in here, and you can see that there is a green and a red light both flashing. And now this pops up here and says, would you like to continue? We're going to agree. And look at that, the thing fires right up. So this is super, super easy. We're going to have to go ahead and connect to the Bluetooth and everything, but let me go and click Bluetooth and hook it up to my phone, and then we'll start going through all of the cool features that this thing has. Okay, so all I've done is click on this Bluetooth phone, and that paired with my phone device. So let's go ahead and check out some of the settings. So if we go over here to Speed Play, that brings you up to the normal Android Auto screen. If you click this one down here in the corner, it'll give you all the apps that you have on your phone. Exit here, that takes you back to the home screen. Video, there's no videos that I have on file. That takes you back home. You have your music on your phone. You have your phone itself. You have files if you want to go through any files on your phone. And then if you click on this one here, that takes you all the way back to the original infotainment screen, as if, you had nothing plugged in at all. So we'll be able to click this guy and get us back. And now you're supposed to be able to run YouTube and Netflix and everything on here. So that's kind of why I bought it. I have 3 little kids, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 seats behind me in this Maverick. And if I can get YouTube or Netflix to pop up while I'm driving, since again, this is more of a base model truck, I don't have TVs or anything in the headrest, I figured this would be an awesome little thing that, I can put on a movie, the kids can watch it as we're driving, and everybody's happy and quiet. So let's go ahead and let me click on this and see if I can get YouTube to fire up and show you guys. All right, so all I did was click on this, all apps, and you can see YouTube and Netflix, Disney Plus, which is going to be an absolute great one. And again, this is all, didn't have to buy a more expensive vehicle as just like a little commuter. And, if I have the kids going to daycare or whatever it is, I can throw on Netflix or Disney and they can watch whatever it is that they want to watch. So let me go ahead and sign into YouTube and see if we can get a video to pop up. All right, so all I did was go in and put my Wi-Fi on. So this thing in the settings tab is going to go ahead and use my phone's Wi-Fi, and that's going to allow me to watch anything that I would like, through my phone. So let's go ahead, click on this, and just see. We can turn it up a little bit, maybe. I'm not sure how loud. There we go. We'll go ahead and we'll skip this ad as soon as it allows. So there you go. And all the music is through the car speakers now. And there you go. We're watching our favorite channel. So here you go. We're back. It was, I don't know, 2 seconds worth of buffering, and we're back watching the video. Let's see if I can go ahead and scroll through kind of like you would on a phone. Of course, we're going to get an ad. Give me 1 second. So this is pretty cool. If it will allow me to scroll forward, which in 2 more seconds we're going to find out, that'll be pretty awesome. It's the same as using it on your phone or anything like that. And it'd be pretty cool to see if we can do it while we're driving. All right, so now I've gone ahead and I jumped over to Netflix. Here, let's see if it'll let us watch Top Gun. Turn the volume off so we don't get any copyright. And look at that. Little to no buffering at all. And it jumps right on. We're able to watch the movie. Let's see, can we scroll forward? And look at that. Scrolls right forward and you're watching the movie. Guys, I think this is absolutely awesome. The price point is $199, I believe. And, hey, for $199, you can buy them on Amazon for like $70. But you don't get the Netflix, you don't get the YouTube, you don't get Disney Plus, you don't get anything like that. So, if you're cheap like I am, and you bought something maybe that was on the lot, and or you didn't want to pay all the extra money for the navigation and everything else, this thing will let you use Google Maps, it'll let you use Waze, it'll let you use the Apple Map, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay. Plus, you get all the cool internet stuff like Netflix, etc. So, what do I think right out of the box? Full disclosure, they did send this to me for me to try out and give an honest review on. One thing that I will note on here is you need to go a little bit slower when you're typing in your passwords and stuff. If you go too quick, it won't recognize it. So like hit it, give it a second, click the next one and move forward. So I guess that's one little bit of a con. All the pros, obviously, like I said, little to no buffering with any of the videos. Now my kids that are sitting here in the back can watch Netflix or anything while we drive. We're just getting ready to go on a little family trip. So I'm going to be taking this and we're going to take it with us for the rental car. And we'll see, you know, if the rental car has a screen on it, and we'll plug it in and we'll try it with that thing as well. So, like I said, this thing is absolutely incredible. I do have an affiliate link down in the description. If you guys are interested, go ahead, click on that. It'll take you right to the box. And like I said, I didn't read any of the instructions. I did nothing of the sort because, in my opinion, it's got to be user-friendly. I'm not a big computer guy. I don't know, you know, a ton about that kind of stuff. So if I can figure it out, you definitely can. Now, you know, once you get this thing all loaded up and running, make sure you throw it in the comments below and let me know how you like it. Or maybe there's something that I missed that I should be adding to a video. I go ahead and answer all the comments and everything. So, hey, appreciate you watching, and go out and get you one of these. One Car Stereo is where to find it.